Hey guys, Fries101Reviews here, doing my last review for now for Patient from Below reviews on Hero Factory. Today we'll be going over bulk drill machine. Ages 7 to 14-year-olds and 113 pieces. I cut it from the bottom. Nothing else to go over. Instructions are the same, except the win thing has changed. The set comes with stickers, but I didn't feel like adding stickers onto this set. First, let's go over the new jumper. The jumper is pretty cool. He has a blue top instead of like the black one. And he does jump. That's him. Then we have Bulk. Same as usual, except he has the blaster that shoots out Lego. Studs. Won't be needing that. That's Bulk. Now we have new. This is Cocoon. It's attached to 3 axle, and they are in light blue. So, and finally, let's go over the bulk drill machine. The drill machine is pretty cool. It's got a function that you can drill and yeah, so that is it for my review on the bulk drill machine. Stay tuned for more reviews when I get more Brain Attack and Invasion from Below sets. I'll see you guys in the next one.